Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet frock designs. This pattern lookup request we are going to focus on beginner level and easy pattern using water stone. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker. The design. Most crochet frock patterns on the blog use the basics, so find your favorite pattern now. These crochet frock patterns are having to all fabulous design from easy. A crochet frock can be as a simple or elaborate as you want. All frocks have this common design for used every day. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent patterns, the crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work and get their make shine more and more. This colorful pattern used on your party
So share
functions
this
and
video
every
to
day.
your friend and family
This
members.
crochet frock
Be
looking
connected with
design are
me and
beautiful
remember
and unique.
me in your prayer.
So
We
here
will
the
meet you
sweet
in
idea
next
for
video.
creating this
Take care.
frock
Allah
winning
Hafiz.
design.